Hello, ma'am. I am Mokshit.
Yes, Mokshit, beta, what problem you have? Previous period. Yes, Mokshit, what problem you have in
Ma'am, in
previous period?
previous period,
Huh?
ma'am, in previous period, my internet connection is very slow, so I can't attend the
So,
whole
beta,
class,
okay.
and my whole work is incomplete.
Okay, beta, okay. You can see the recording afterwards, Mokshit, okay? See, first, we are going to hide this one. We are going to multiply this 6 by 28 by 6. 6 8s are 48. 4 here, 8 here, and 4 carried over here. Very small 4. 6 2s are 12. 6 2s are 12 plus 4. 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. What is the sum total? 16. What is the sum total? 16. We will write 16 here. Okay. I'm going to unmute you all. You can unmute yourself. But इसके अलावा अगर कुछ और बोला जो मैं पूछ रही हूँ, if you speak something else, then I'll just keep all of you on mute. This will be the punishment. Okay. I'm giving all of you permission to unmute yourself, but don't speak anything else. No excuse me, ma'am. No this, nothing. Okay. What is 6 twos are? Wait. Okay. What is 6 twos are?
12.
12 plus 4? 12 plus 4? 16. We have written 16 here. We have written 16 here. Now, what I'm going to do, now I'm going to hide this 6 now. Now I will multiply this 28 by 1. Now I will multiply this 28 by 1. How will I multiply? Just hide this 6. But first of all, yes, very important. We are going to put a cross over here. Under 8. 1 8 now I will multiply this 1 by 8. 1 8 8. Okay. Now I am rubbing this 4. 1 2 now 1 2 no need to carry that 4. No need to add that carry 1 4. 2 1 2 2. So now what we will do, we will add them. Okay. 8 plus 0 is 8. 6 plus 8, 14. 1 will be carried over here. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 1, 4. 448 is the answer. Okay. Now this one. Now see this one. Ajaskara, now you understood? What was the mistake?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The multiplication.
And Manas, you also look carefully. Instead of speaking, pay attention here. And Unsha, you also pay attention. Unsha, don't write. Unsha, don't write. मैंने बोला था बेटा, I told you not to speak anything else. Whatever I am asking, only that. Unsha, look here on the board. Unsha, she's not even listening. Look on the board. Look at the board. Unsha, look at the board. Where are you looking? She's busy in herself. Unsha, are you listening to me? Unsha, she's not even listening. I'm speaking again and again. Look on the board. What are you looking there? Just do this. Look here. Look here on the board. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to hide this 8. 2, sorry. 8 5. 8 5 is what? 40. 4 is will be carried over here. Okay. 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 4. 24 plus 4 is what?
28.
28. Very good. Now we are going to put one cross over here. Now tell me 2 5s are? 2 5s are? 2 here and 4. I'm rubbing this 4 now. I will carry 1 here. Okay, 2 5s are 10. 1 will be carried. Hiding 8. 2 3s are 6 plus 1, 7. Now we are going to add them. 0 plus 0, 0.
Zero.
8 plus 0.
Zero.
8 plus
8.
8 plus 7.
7 plus 2, 9.
Okay, no need to do shortcut. All of you have to do in the same way. No, beta Ramika, don't write 0 instead of this cross because it will create a lot of problem. Many of you say, ma'am, iski jagah can we write 0? No, don't write 0. Put a cross over here. Okay, this cross means 0, but do not put a 0 over here. Okay, now let's get back. I'm going to write now 3 and 4 questions. Below this, you can write. Draw the line and draw the ending line here. Everyone, correct it. Those who have not done it, correct it. Draw the ending line here. And from there only you can write third and fourth question. Under the line, you can start third and fourth question. Question number 3 you have to do and question number 4 you have to do. Question number 3 you have to do.
मैम हमें सेम पेज पे सब क्वेश्चन लिखना है.
Who is asking such type of question in Hindi? Who is asking from in Hindi?
Ma'am, we will write the third question in the same page.
Unshat, first of all, tell me, are you listening to me or not? Because I called you so many times before and you didn't reply. What does that mean? That means you are not listening to me. Zoya, why are you sending answers so late, beta? It's correct, Zoya. But you have sent it already. Now do this third one. Same page you have to do. And if you will not send the answer, I will take your name specially and ask you to send the answers.
Fourth is 16.
Switch off your mics.
Ma'am, in second question, it is in multiplication. It is right 8 5s, so 8 5s is 40. But we have to write 1 in carryover.
4 you have to carry. 4 you have to carry. 4 0 40 is coming now. So 4 you have to carry on the other place.
Ma'am, so why we should write 2 8?
Why should write? Which one? In which question are you asking about?
Second question.
Which
Second
question? Second question. Let me check.
Second.
Wait. Okay. Let me open that second question first of all. The rest of you do this work.
Ma'am, I have done this work, so can I post it on the group?
I am just going to mute this fellow now. Those who is speaking, the one who is speaking, may I post the work or whatever. Just Karan. Second one you are saying, what 8 5s are 40? Yes, just Karan. 8 5s are 40. Yes, then.
Ma'am, so in carryover we have to write.
I'm glad that most of you know how to do it, but some of you are still facing problem. So again, I'm going to tell for them how to solve it, and it needs a lot of practice. For multiplication, if you want to learn multiplication, there are 2 things you can know multiplication very well. One is tables. You have to learn tables well. Number 1 is tables. Number 2 is practice. Okay, these 2 things if you do, you will be able to solve these type of questions and much bigger questions within seconds. Okay, Jaskaran, understood? Okay, Rishabh, your answers are correct. That's what I've said. Jaskaran, you have to do these two things, learn tables, and second one is practice more and more questions as you want. Take one rough notebook today, and in that rough notebook, as much question as you want to solve, you can solve it. Okay, no need to show me. See now, 4 threes are, hide this 4 now. 4 threes are 12. 1 will be carried over here. 4 sevens are 28 plus 1, 29. Okay, now I will put a cross over here. 4 threes are 12 again. 1 will be carried over here. 4 sevens are 28 plus 1, 29. Now add them. 2, 9 plus 2, 11. 1 will be carried over here. 2 plus 9. Achha, I have done one mistake. I have to write 2 and 9 under 2 properly. 2 plus 9. Beta, be sure that you have written just under it. 2 plus 9, 11 plus 1, 12, and 2 plus 1 is equals to 3. So answer is 3, 2, 1, 2. 3, 2, 1, 2. Okay, good, Ansha, very good. Okay, Akhya, I'm explaining, beta. Anmol saying very good. Minha, that one is wrong. Second one, Minha. So this one is wrong. So I'm going to teach you this one. See now here. I am going to hide this 7. 6 sevens are 42. 4 2 will be here. 4 will be carried over here. 6 6 are 36 plus 4 is 40. So 402 will be here. Put a cross. Okay. Now I'm going to rip this carry over. Now hide this 6. 7 sevens are 49. 1 will be here. 4 will be here. 7 6 are 42. 42 plus 4 is 46. Now we will add them. 2 plus 0, 2. 0 plus 9, 9. 4 plus 6, 10. 4 plus 1, 5. So answer is 5092. Correct it, Akhya. Now I hope you are able to understand it. Shelly Gupta, very nice. Sheesh, very good, Sheesh. Good. Abhineet, today you are not sending me the answers. Are you not doing the work? Type your answer, Abhineet. You are not sending me the answers today, Abhineet. Are you doing the work, Manya? Have you done the work? Have you sent it to me? You have sent it to me. Okay, very good. Now let me see. I hope all of you.
Ma'am, I am also sent the answers.
Acha, you have sent the answers.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Okay, so all of you are tired now. All of you are tired. 2 minutes is going. 2 minutes after 1 minute, this meeting will get over. Yes, all of you are tired. I can see Jasrina nodding her head a lot. That means she's tired too much. Okay, stand up then. Stand up and dance. Stand up and dance. I can see who all can dance. Those who are tired, they will dance. Then I will know they are tired. Those who are tired, they will dance. Let me see all those who are tired. See, let me see their faces. All those who are dancing, they are those who are dancing. They have to be okay. I'm going to unmute you all. But no unnecessary messages. I'm telling you. Huh? Those who are tired, switch on your videos and dance. Only Rishabh is dancing. Arav Gupta is dancing. No excuse. No excuse. No excuse. I will not excuse anyone.
Please side.
Acha, you have not done this.
Ma'am, please side.
Okay. I will not be side. I will be here only. Okay, let me see all those who are dancing. They all are tired. And those who are not dancing, they are not tired. Sheesh, are you not tired? You are not tired? Dance then.
Ma'am, I'm not tired.
Those who are tired, dance. All those who are tired, stand up and dance. See Riddhi Agarwal, she is dancing so much. See the energy in Riddhi Agarwal. See everyone. Just see. Just let her see. Let us see her. See her. Riddhi, do wrong. Riddhi, do it.
Ma'am,
She was dancing so actively. हाँ बेटा. Okay, let
Ma'am?
me see. हाँ, speak.